Hello, welcome back to AK Math, and today we're going to look at how to label long division problems. So again, we're working on our series of long division, working with the divisor, the dividend, and the quotient. So here I have a couple of typical problems that you may see in your homework where the instructions are to label the missing parts for the division problems. If we look at the first problem, we've got something divided by $20.79 that gives us $2.31. So we are missing something, but we have to figure out what we are missing. Now, if you can remember from other videos, we use the division sign as a bank. Excuse me. And inside that bank was the dividend. And outside the bank was the divisor. And on the top of the bank, we had the quotient. Okay, so basically we are matching what is missing. So in the first problem, the missing part would be the divisor, because that would be in the front of your bank. And let's look at the second problem, where we have our divisor is 31 and our quotient is 4. What we are missing is our dividend. All right, and now we have our third example where we have 60 going into 480. Well, we know that 60 is our divisor, and we know that 480 is our dividend. So we want to know how much will be in each pile of 60. And we know that will be our quotient. Okay, these may be standard problems that you're like, these are easy in my homework. But occasionally they will throw you a curveball. And the next example is what I would consider a curveball problem, because they are giving you 36 times something that will equal 3,420. So it's not in the same form as we know long division to be in with the division sign. So we have the divisor, the dividend, which is the quotient. So we have to do a little bit of manipulation, and we have to understand what is going on here. Well, we know that we're going to have 36 times something will give us 3,042. So we are going to take this 36 and do the opposite. Since our operation is multiplication, we are going to divide this side by 36. But if we do that to one side across the equal sign, we must do it to the other side across the equal sign. So now our 36 over 36 becomes 1. And now we have a fraction. So we have 3,420 divided by 36. Okay, that is a fraction. Now, if we have a fraction and we are still using the divisor, dividend, and quotient, a fraction, we would have the dividend would be on the numerator, and the bottom, or the denominator, which is down under, would be my divisor. So if we look at this, we can now say, okay, so now I have my dividend over my divisor. But when I do the multiplication, or I simplify or reduce this fraction, I will get the quotient. So one of the things that I like to do is, sorry about that. Come on, come back here. All right. Sorry about that delay. What I would like to do is to show you what we can do with an improper fraction. The improper fraction means that the number in the numerator, once again, we have our numerator over our denominator, and we're really trying to find out what this is. Well, we've got it to a point where we are solving for this blank or this question mark. I'm going to rewrite this fraction. What I did is I made my division symbol, and I like to use the term the top always falls down. So if you have something on the top, let's say you got a table, let me get a tripod table, and you have a vase on the table, and you've got kids that are running around, and all of a sudden that gets pushed off. So then your vase will be on the floor in yummy, wonderful pieces, because gravity will bring it down to the floor and it will crash and break. So the top always falls down due to gravity. Well, we can use that concept here. I have 3,420, and it needs to fall down because it's on the top. Okay, so now I have this problem written this way. I am looking for the question mark, which is here. And if I rewrite this, I can see that 36 divided by 3,420 is going to provide me with a quotient. So coming back to 36 times something is equal to 3,420, I can see, oops, again with this is craziness. Come on, come back. Well, all right. Sorry about the craziness with this. We can see that the question mark for this problem would be a quotient. So that is the answer for that problem. So I hope this helped, and especially when you're given a curveball in your homework, don't stress out. Just think about what the different players in the equation are really doing. So I hope this helped, And I apologize for the technical difficulties. And I'm going to say goodbye and have a wonderful time. And we will do some more of these trickier problems later. Thank you for subscribing to AK Math, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.